Okay, the first step in assembling the cabin is to take the bottom tray and fold it up. So you're going to take the two end panels and fold them up first. Make sure all the tabs are locked into the slots. And then do the same to the long side. Once this step is complete, set this tray aside for later. The next step is to assemble the four hutches, starting with the first hutch. The hutches correspond with the letters on the bottom of the back panel and up on the top sides of the side panels. A panels go with A's, B's go with B's. You want to attach the side panels to the back panel with the wing locks. Once the panels are locked together, make sure that the wing locks are fully open. You want to take your first shelf, which is the bottom, and attach it to the bottom of the back panel with the slots and the two tabs. And then fold these flaps in and fold up your side flaps and attach those. Fold this down and fold the first one over on the sides, the first flap. And then roll these over, locking this together. Once that's done, stand the shelf up or the tray up. And insert the second shelf. These flaps fold down and slot into the back. The side flaps go in between these panels. Locking those together. And then repeat the process with the flaps again. Make sure that all the tabs lock into the slots. And repeat this process all the way up. Once you have the four shelves in place, roll the sides over and tuck them into the slots. And repeat for the back. And that's the completion of a hutch. Once you have your 4 hutches complete, put the 2 A or B hutches side by side into the bottom tray. What you want to make sure is that these line up, and then insert the back hutches into the back of the tray. Once you have the 4 hutches into the bottom tray, you will get a packet of twin stick. There should be 8 pieces. Place them in between the 2 shelves. Remove the protective paper. Make sure that everything lines up and firmly press the 2 units together. That locks the shelves together. Once the 4 units are assembled together, take the 2 side panels that have the graphics on them. You want to line up these cutouts with the shelf spacings. Tuck it into the bottom of the tray down here. On each panel there's a piece of tape. Remove that tape. And lock it to the shelf on the inside. Repeat this process for both the right, left side of the unit as well as the back side of the unit. There's 2 pieces on the inside between the top. Remove those and attach them. Now you want to assemble the cabin roof. This piece here, these are the side panels to the cabin roof. You want to take the side that has the cutouts. The slots line up with these tabs. Attach the first portion of the roof. Hold the sides up. You want to remove the red tape cover. Hold your sides up, tuck the flap in, and roll this over. And firmly press together, locking the front lip of the roof. Spin the roof around and repeat the process on the other side. Roll the ends, locking those together. And then set your roof aside. On the ends of the roof, there's more twin stick. Remove the cover. Place the roof on top, lining up the center of the roof with the high peak of the side panels. And attach the roof. This is the assembled unit. Place this wherever it needs to go and then load it with product. Please do not try and move the unit with product.